Welcome to the fried rice show. Get a stack of bowls. We're gonna be throwing all kinds of shit in bowls, so we want a lot of bowls. Stir fry is our ginger and our garlic. Oh damn, we lost the garlic, dude. Garlic down. I'm gonna cut straight through the center of the onion, like this, kind of like in half. Boom. And that is a really beautiful dice. Mushrooms are a useful tool in life in a number of ways. They're starting to figure out in Denver and places like that. They're useful for consciousness exploration. They're useful for post-traumatic stress recovery therapy. They're also tasty as a motherfucker. I keep my cilantro in a mason jar because I'm hella fucking Brooklyn hipster, dude. Mouthfeel is important. How it feels in the mouth. Oh, cilantro smells so good. Throw that shit up in the air and just have a bath in it. Bam! Emeril Lagasse, dude. Bobby Flay, Martha Stewart, Guy Fieri, dude. Diners, drive-ins, and dives out here and shit. God damn, son, we got ourselves a nice looking fried rice happening up in here. I'm gonna grab my rice just with my hand, just like that. I'm just gonna sprinkle that shit in there. Oh my goodness, dude. The egg should kind of disappear, but it's gotta be hot enough that it is actually cooked. Otherwise, you just got raw, nasty ass egg like you're a bodybuilder who drinks raw eggs and thinks it's cool when everybody knows it's not. Well, I guess it is. I guess if that's your thing, you know what, dude? We're not gonna judge you. We're gonna let you drink raw eggs and enjoy yourself in that way. But on the sly, we're gonna be like, damn, that looks nasty, dude. But good for you, enjoy your life. The all-important final test before we plate and serve to our diners, okay? So, make sure you get a little bit of everything in there. Blow, blow, blow. Oh my God. Dude, that shit is so good. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen. That is really fucking good. Wow. Don't forget about your lime.